Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a craft that I will share with you of a poster reminding you to wash your hands to prevent the spread of coronavirus that we all know is spreading globally, unfortunately. This is a great way to teach and or remind kiddos and yourself how to wash your hands the right way. And below are some instructions on how to wash your hands the right way. So all you're going to need is a variety of blue paper, brown paper, and gray paper. I used cardstock paper, but you can use regular construction paper if you'd like. You'll need scissors, a pencil, and a marker, which is totally optional, and you'll see why. So first thing that I'm going to do is trace my hand. I'm laying my hand out, not spreading my fingers out too wide. I want it to be kind of realistic of how it will look if you are washing your hands. So as you can see, I am tracing my hand with a pencil, and then afterwards I'm going to go over it with a marker, simply so that you guys can see it. The camera does not pick up pencil very well, so I go over it with a marker. Now, when you're doing it, I recommend that you skip the marker so that you don't get any unwanted lines you'll see after you cut it. It just doesn't look very appealing to have those black lines after you cut. Next, I am folding it up just so that I can have two when I cut, and I will cut away. And there we have two hands. Next, I'm going to be creating a faucet. So I pretty much just got this faucet off of Google. I Googled faucet and found this cute little old-timey one and free-handed it. And then here I am going over it with a marker so that you can see. Now, I am aware that not everyone has the ability to draw very well, so I got your back. I have created a free template for you to download, print, and trace. Next, we are going to be creating the water. So I put the faucet over a blue piece of paper so that I can use the measurements. And I am creating a water-like splash looking figure and tracing over it so you can see in just a moment. This is also something that's going to be included in that template because I am aware that this is kind of an unusual figure to draw. Some people might not have that imagination to visualize it and draw it out. So there you have it. It will be available in the template to download and print and trace. Now you can't have a hand washing craft without some bubbles, so with a different color paper of blue, I am just creating some circles of different sizes, and as you can see, I stacked two pieces of paper together so that I can have multiple colors and just cutting them out together. Here I'm just fixing them onto the hand, and here I'm using a lighter shade of blue paper for a more realistic look of the bubbles. And then you can fix them up exactly how you would like them. And lastly, I will be creating this 20. So I failed when trying to look up fonts on the internet, so I freehanded this one, and again, this will be available on the template to download and print. As you can see, I drafted up a 2 and a 0 and then traced it with marker and cut it out. The 0 was kind of tricky, but if you poke a hole right in the middle and then create a slash line 4 ways, you can really get into that little hole in the middle. Finally, I am creating some water droplets just to kind of give a little bit of a look of movement and kind of an animated look. You'll see in just a second what I mean. This is a really fun poster to do. You can really kind of play with it and get creative with it. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful. Please be sure to like and share this video and subscribe for more. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this, and leave a comment down below if this was helpful. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.